audit rights are a provision of the GDPR. However, operationalizing this, and also this also actually kind of goes back to my point about objecting to sub-processes, right? Like, how frequently do you see companies actually invoking their audit rights and carrying through on them and going and conducting an in-person inspection? But there's plenty of room for negotiating what the audit right provision includes, right? So is there a non-disclosure agreement required before the customer can execute their audit rights? Is there a timing requirement, right? Like, you need to give such and such amount of notice before doing it. Is there provision about who's actually going to pay for it, right? Like, if your customer is going to conduct the audit of vendor, well, should they be paying for it? And then is there room for a instead of a ability or right to conduct an inspection, can we provide our SOC 2 Type 2 report by a third party, or our ISO 27001 certification conducted by a third party? I mean, I think that's sort of the more practical answer, right? Is provide the SOC 2 Type 2 audit, provide the ISO 27001, actually review it, right, and see if your vendor is meeting sort of the standards that you would expect through that third party audit.